So here we are beading. It's one of your favorite things to do, right? Look at this. Oh boy, you're ready. Got your seed beads, your tiger wire, and look at this. Beautiful, beautiful creations. Look at that. And what are you doing, young man?
These some epic beads.
Epic, epic. We got a assembly line right here, don't we? And guys, who do we want to thank? Babs Beads, thank you so much. Because you know what? The findings are epic. Look at the beads that we have. We're so thankful for you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Can you say thank you in your language? Wonderful.
Yeah.
Way, and thank you. What? Rockstar. And how do you say thank you? Aww. Aww. Thanks so much, Babs.